Hey, my name is Michael Granados. Welcome to this video. I want to ask you something. Are you having problems with starting a blog? Not just a blog, but a money-making one, one that you can earn from passively. Are you just looking around and you can't find a place to begin or the right place to begin? And if you've already started with one and you want to figure out the right direction, and if you're going the right way, I know the problems that come with that. In all these circumstances, I'm going to help you and I'm going to show you the way, and I'm going to do this through a 30-day blog posting challenge. So I call this the one blog post away challenge. And so basically it's going to be 30 days of awesomeness. You're going to go through this. It's going to be fun. You're going to actually feel like you're putting something together that is going to be meaningful and that is going to be long lasting for you. I've been doing this for some time. So for those of you who know me, I'm, the person who started a couple of businesses, and I started one in the health and wellness with back pain sites. And then I also have a couple of other ones for things like affiliate marketing. If you know what that is, it's basically just, bringing people to an offer. And from there, they get to click on what's called an affiliate link. And from there, they get taken over to the retailer where they make a purchase and you make a commission. Okay. But really, this blog posting challenge is going to be something like you haven't seen before. If you've seen anything else, and if you haven't come across anything, I'll tell you that it is completely different from anything, on the fact that not only is it going to be like this whole reverse engineering process that I've come up with, which will allow you to understand what it is, what are the elements at its most smallest basic foundations and at its most middle and its highest form of how to put one together. And I think too many people rush into the idea of putting a website in place and then let's start putting the content all in there, and they forget about the niche, or maybe you have a selected niche but you don't know. You start second guessing yourself. So with this 30-day, and it's free, by the way, at the moment, it might be changing, by the next time you see the page, it might have already changed. But really what you can get in there and do is you can understand the elements that need to go in there, like from mindset to offers. What are messages, how to use funnels and things like that. And I'll be going into the criteria here in just a second, and I'm going to show you, and you'll also get a copy of this. There might be more on it by the time you get it, more or less, but it's an amazing thing. And it's really, something that, I get asked this a lot, is like, how can I put a money-making blog together? And most of the time when I run through people's sites, I see a lot of missing things, and it always comes back to the basics. What is your niche? Who are you trying to target? Do you have an offer in place? Are you trying to do this too much versus something else first? Where are you getting ahead of yourself? Why isn't it working? And there are many ways to monetize a blog. And one of my favorite ones has to be affiliate marketing. There are many other ones that's I'll be talking about later on, especially through emails. But that's something that's going to be there. So now let me show you what's going to be on the criteria here. So this is a little bit about it. So we have the outline here, and this is something you're going to get to, the week one outline. So we're going to go through things like offer hacking, picking a winning product, greatest feedback, like why is feedback from people important, how to do offer sequencing, e-covers, offer assets, and creating these things. Week two outline. By the end of week two, you're going to learn about publishing, keyword research tactics, writing a compelling post, epiphany bridges, your origin story, hooks and more hooks. Week three outlines core blogging funnel strategies, sales funnel strategies, starting your own blog. That's when we get into, more of the putting your website in place. And then week four outline, just understanding the types of traffic, running ads, other ways of monetizing will be in there. a bit. It'll be moved around, but it'll also come in the form of emails more likely. But that'll be all in here. You can go ahead and take a look at this too. And I also have kind of the page for it right here. You can see, you know, this could change in time because I do consider it a bit basic, but it'll be getting updated more so. And there might even be another video of this coming out with more. But that for the most part is the one blog post away challenge. You can launch your first or your next blog, and you can get access through it. There's a video here that explains it in details, what you're going to be going through, like with worksheets that you're going to be getting, with extra videos and all this stuff that I have combined myself, that I put the effort into doing, and making sure that you have all the tools going into it. Because nowadays, you know, moving into you know, New Year's and stuff like that, it's getting more important to have certain elements in there. And I'm going to talk to you about lead magnets, freebies, all these different things, the ways to do this, free traffic with Google, as you would know, you know, being found in Google, and different forms of it. Okay, so that's the one blog post away challenge. Let me go ahead and get off the share screen here. You know, it's something that I took a lot of time to put into it, and it wasn't simple by any means. It took me a while to put it all together, and I just wanted to make sure it was perfect for you. Hopefully it's something that you're going to enjoy. I'd love having feedback from you. If you have any questions for me at the moment, you can leave me one down below in the comment section, and also check in the description. Okay, once you're done with this video, make sure you go in the description. You can go ahead and get in there and get started and check it out. And you can also check out more of my material if you would like to have other videos that I come out with on things like online marketing, affiliate marketing, where I started with a blog, where I came into things, and then how I evolved over the time in different avenues. So that's everything for this video. You know, I'm very excited. You know, I see just too much complication when it comes to blogs and monetizing them, and what's the right way for you to go around it. And instead of you having to go and fish and search and once you're in it, you're still questioning things, I'm going to show you the ways to do it that are most appropriate for you in your situation. And you can finally have something pieced together at the end of this that you're going to say, hey, I'm very happy that I did this challenge. I'm very happy that I actually took the time, because I took pieces away from it that are now going to help me out in my future. Okay, and that's something that I'm here for with you. I'm here to make sure you have everything you need. First and foremost, I'm here to make sure you have all the value you need moving forward with it. Okay, so that's everything from me. Make sure you look underneath this video, check in the description below, and you can get access to the one blog post away challenge, and hopefully you enjoy it. And again, if you have any questions, do let me know. Okay, that's it. Thank you.